This is Novo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaiser Chiefs 1, Sekhukhune 3. My brother, how's it?
I'm good and you?
I'm good, thanks. How do you feel about the game tonight?
I'm not happy.
Yeah.
I'm not happy. Okay. First of all, Imbo Alindile Fola. I'm from Alexandra.
Yeah.
10 number 43.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not happy about the game. Scheme, I'm not happy.
Yeah.
Wabona kufrasla.
Yeah.
Umunyani, uyabona umunyani? Nyamkhumbula umunyani. Ulimela ne. Mara yamona ukuthi umunyani uyashota lapha ya. Yazi umunyani ngimtsandelani uya-overlapa.
But ulimele. Kuyafana noma comment ngayo but ulimele kwamanje.
Ulimela ne.
Ubani bomprefera lapha ngaphandle kwa Frostla.
Ufrosla. Yabona ukhuluma iqiniso malume. Ufrosla ne. Hayi, uFrosla akadlalanga namhlanje malume.
Yeah.
Angazi ukuthi une stress or yini. Mara akashow up ukuthi ufuna ukukhombisa nomnyani. Mela show up yabona. Yabona my play, mele ubonisa ukuthi uhungry. You are hungry for the game.
Yeah.
Manje uFrosla yabona umnyani mekabe ngeke asangena.
Asangena yeah.
Ngeke asangena.
Hatla.
Ulazy malume, lazy too much yabona. Yabona modlala u2. Mele overlap man. Yabona umnyani.
Yeah.
It's the best. Akekho ozomhlula.
Uzophola uzobuya sabonga mfethu. Hatla ke.
Akekho ozomhlula. Yabona umnyani.
Yeah.
Umnyani is the best.
Hey, Tada.
It's the best. Yabona iPirates.
Yeah.
Yabona iPirates is league player lapha ya.
Number 1.
Is the player. Akekho omunye umuntu.
Thank you.
Makhosi.
For your soccer updates, visit www.novo2010sharpeye.com.